Gonna get it right, we're running old hog by the pale moonlight. People call it poaching, Lord, ain't it a shame? Long as we can eat it, it should all be fair game. You see me hunting and fish, you say I'm breaking the law. I'll hunt and fish year round, summer, winter, spring and fall. I'm a country boy raised off the land, hunting and fishing, I know the Lord understands. We'll grow our own crops.
What's up, guys? Tom Sewell, Bare Knuckle Company. So thanks for tuning in. We got you another awesome hog hunt video. Went out the other night, caught a bar hog with some hardware. Old Bubba got to hang one. He did pretty darn good in my opinion. So if you guys are enjoying our videos, want to learn more, want to see the world through our eyes, hit that subscribe button. We got epic bass fishing, hog hunting, gear reviews, just all kinds of good stuff coming up in the future. Show us some love. Join the movement. Bare Knuckle Company. Thanks for watching. You guys enjoy this next video.
Hold on. You ready? You ready? You ready, Mitch? Go ahead. Listen, go ahead. Get out of that. Woo. Grab that front leg and pull it between both them legs. Put it right there with Mitch's hand. Get out of that. Y'all, I said Kurt still got it, son.
Hey, how I fucking like This is one Mr. Dick's hand.
Bobtail?
Big bar hog, bobtail with big teeth. That's him. And that might be one of mine. If I see his other ear, that's the tail. He just said, he got to get a hog out here right here. I'll be down. Big ass was too big to go under the fucking fence.
Alright, now that's what we do.
He finished dying.
Mitchell?
Guess hog I've ever caught.
Is it? Good deal, man. Hey, come here, Hank. Come here, Hank. Did you just bait that hog after near death 2 months ago? Shut up. Get out of that.